I thought I could capture the world with my camera. But what if I captured something I was never meant to see, something that would haunt me forever?
This can't be real. I never took this photo. Someone else is watching me. But who?
I'm always with you. You don't worry. By the way, what do you think about it? Are you mad at me?
How to bring your short movie ideas to life without a big budget. Impressive, right? That short film was made entirely with free AI tools, and I'll show you how to create your own, step-by-step, no expensive software needed. Imagine creating talking characters with zero cost. In this video, I'll show you how to craft an engaging short film using free AI tools, no experience needed. From writing the script to having your character speak, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the future of filmmaking. The first step in the process is to come up with a captivating story. To do this, we can use ChatGPT to help generate the entire movie script. Start by asking ChatGPT for a short film idea, along with a complete script. You can tailor the request by specifying the genre or mood you want for your film, whether it's action, comedy, drama, or something else. ChatGPT will then assist in crafting a script that fits your vision. For this video, I asked ChatGPT to generate an engaging short film idea along with its complete script. In just a few seconds, I received a well-crafted script. You can either adjust the script based on your own creativity or use it as is. If you have your own concept in mind, simply provide that to ChatGPT, and it will generate a script tailored to your idea. Next, I also requested a voiceover for the script and image prompts. These are essential because we need to generate images for the scenes. When asking ChatGPT for image prompts, be sure to specify that each scene should include only one character. It's also important to request that keywords are included to ensure consistency in the character design across all scenes, so your main characters will look the same throughout the film. Once the script, voiceover, and images are ready, we can move on to creating the visuals for the project. I'll be posting all the prompts in the comments section for easy reference. Here's where the real excitement begins. Now that we have our script, it's time to bring our characters and scenes to life visually. For this, we'll use Piclumen, an incredibly powerful AI tool that generates cinematic quality images. Piclumen allows us to transform the descriptions from our script into stunning visuals, ensuring that each scene looks as vivid and engaging as the story we've created. By inputting the image prompts for each scene, Piclumen will help us bring the film's world to life, making it feel immersive and dynamic. Now, let's head over to Piclumen, one of the most user-friendly AI tools. After signing up, click on the Create button and you'll be greeted with an interface like this. First, select the flux model. Then, adjust the image resolution to 16:9 to match the typical video aspect ratio. Next, choose the number of images you want to generate. Now, I'll copy our first image prompt and paste it into the Piclumen search image box, then hit Generate. In just a few seconds, Piclumen will generate 4 images for us. I'll pick the one that best fits the scene, and from there, we'll repeat the process for each scene, selecting the most suitable image. The best part? The characters will stay consistent across scenes, thanks to those carefully crafted prompts. Once all the images are generated, it's time to move on to the next exciting phase, making these characters speak. For this, I'll reveal 2 methods, with the first one being Canva combined with VidNoz AI. Here comes the fun part, making your AI-generated characters actually speak. Many people don't realize that Canva, when paired with VidNoz AI, is a powerful tool for creating animated, speaking characters. With this combination, you can bring your characters to life, syncing their voiceovers with their animations, making them seem like they're truly speaking the script. First, go to canva.com and click on the video template button. On the side panel, you'll find the apps option. Click on it and search for VidNoz AI. VidNoz allows you to upload your images and add voiceovers to them. Upload the first character image you generated, then head back to ChatGPT, copy the script for the scene you've generated, and paste it into the text box in VidNoz AI. Choose a voiceover from the available options. In the free version, there are several solid voices that sound natural, but if you upgrade to the Pro version, you'll get access to more voice options and can adjust the tone or style of speech. Once you've selected the voiceover, let VidNoz AI work its magic. It will sync the voice to the character, making it look like the character is speaking the script. Repeat this process for each image or scene in your film. You won't need to download the videos just yet, but I'll show you how to access them all once they're generated. After all the scenes are generated, go to the My Video section within VidNoz AI, where you'll find all the videos you've created. A helpful tip: download each scene as a separate file instead of downloading one long video. This keeps things organized and easy to manage. That was the first method. Now, let me reveal the second method for when you have multiple characters. If you want all of them to speak, go to the website, sign up, and go to the AI avatar section. Upload your image and will automatically detect if there are multiple faces in the image. It will then allow you to input the script and choose a separate voiceover for each character. Finally, click the Generate Talking Avatar button and then hit Generate. You'll see the character's lips move as the voiceover is synced. This method allows you to generate multiple voiceovers for multiple characters, whether you have 2 characters or 10. All the videos can be downloaded from the My Creations section. Once all the videos are ready, it's time for the final step: editing and finalizing your short film. Now that we have our voiceovers and character animations, we'll bring everything together using CapCut, a free and user-friendly editing tool. Don't worry if you've never used it before. CapCut makes the process very simple. You can add transitions, sound effects, visual effects, and fine-tune the timing of everything. This is where you'll turn your individual clips into a polished, final short film. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. Import all the video files you downloaded from Canva or VidNoz AI. Arrange them in the correct order based on your script. CapCut offers a variety of transition effects, so feel free to experiment with these to give your film a smoother, more dynamic flow between scenes. You can also add background music or sound effects to enhance the atmosphere. I personally use Piclumen for royalty-free music, but you can also use YouTube's audio library or any other stock music website. I'm keeping it simple with basic background tracks, but you can get more creative by adjusting the sound levels or adding ambient effects to match the mood of each scene. Add them to the timeline one by one, making sure they sync well with the video scenes. It can take time to perfect, but it's worth the effort. If you're using a burst effect or any specific sound effects, try syncing them with the corresponding scenes for added impact. Next, it's time to add effects. For my first scene, I'm choosing a lighting effect to create a dramatic atmosphere. Feel free to apply various effects to each scene to elevate the visual experience. You'll see the final result in the completed video. For the title, give your video a name that fits the theme. And if any of your videos have a watermark, you can easily cover it up by adding a text box with a background and positioning it over the watermark. Spread it across the video to keep the visuals clean. Once everything looks good and you're happy with the final edit, hit export, and your short film is ready to be shared. Upload it to YouTube or any platform of your choice. And just like that, you've created a short film with AI-generated characters and voiceovers using entirely free tools.
I thought I could capture the world with my camera, but what if I captured something I was never meant to see, something that would haunt me forever?
This can't be real. I never took this photo. Someone else is watching me. But who?
I'm always with you. You don't worry. By the way, what do you think about it? Are you mad at me?
Every picture tells a story, or so they say. But what if the story is mine, and I didn't even take the shot?
These photos, they're not random. They're not taken by someone else. They're me, somehow capturing a version of me I don't recognize. But these shots, they're not of the life I know. They're from a time, a place that I've tried to forget. You're telling me someone's been taking pictures of you, but you've never seen them before?
I am behind you, watching your everything. What are you doing? I know everything.
I thought I could leave the past behind, but every step I take only leads me closer to the place where it all began, the desert, where I made the mistake I'll never forget.
You thought you could escape it, but the past, it doesn't forgive. It waits, and now, it's time for you to face it. You can't outrun what you've done. The photos, they're not just memories. They're your fate catching up to you. I thought I was looking for answers, but all along, the photos were the answer. They were never someone else's eyes on me. It was always my own, seeing the truth I've tried to bury.
I never realized it until now. It wasn't just the pictures. It was me all along. I was the one trapped in this story. And now, the story's ending.
It's interesting how sometimes we only see our role in things once everything starts to unfold. The ending can feel both freeing and overwhelming at the same time.
What if the answers were closer than I thought? What if the key to this whole mystery was James himself?
The photos stopped coming, but that doesn't matter anymore. The truth's out. I'm no longer a victim of the past. I am the past. And now, I am the story.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to use AI to boost your productivity and earnings. If you're curious about Pixverse V3 AI animation video generator, text to video image to video AI tutorial, click on the video on the left. If you're ready to explore, create an entire movie from scratch. Step-by-step guide using free AI tools 2025 edition. Click on the video on the right. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.